What's up, YouTube? As y'all know, I just recently got my Glock 27, so y'all know what that means. Handleitgrips. Oh yeah. These ones are the Elite series. I got the Edge series on my shield, and these are like newer ones that came out. They're supposedly got more texture and shit. So we'll see what's up with it right now. But let's go ahead and throw these on Glock 27. So the package, we got the main piece, the back strap, and the finger grips. And just right out the bat, I can tell y'all, these are definitely more grippy than the Edge series. I do like these though, I ain't gonna lie. So let's get into it. So before anything, I like to test fit them. So before we work on anything, there ain't nothing in the mag. Weapon is clear. So I like to go ahead and test fit these. Line up the Glock logo. Let that wrap around. This is what it's gonna look like. Cool. So after you test fit it, make sure to go ahead and wipe the surface. So once that's dry, you can go ahead and start applying the grips. All right, our weapon's dry now. So let's go ahead and just get this all off. So go ahead and line up that Glock logo first before anything, I'd say. Everything else should follow. Line up the top as well at the same time. Just like that. It's pretty lined up to me. Line it up at the top. Just follow it through, my boy. Got the finger grooves. And just line it up at the top again. So I'm pressing the mag release. Y'all see how it kind of pokes out right there. You don't want to stretch it out a little bit. Just a little fitment is all it is. A little bit of stretching, a little bit of straightening. There we go. Just like that. Press that shit down. Yeah, these are a lot grippier than the Edge series. I ain't gonna lie, I am rocking with it. Press it down. And it's got the main piece fit pretty good. And go ahead and throw on the back strap. So let's go ahead and grab that back strap. I do want to note, if y'all go look at my shield video, I put on the back strap wrong. I'm not going to do that same mistake with this one. The thicker part should be towards the bottom. Alright. So, make sure y'all make note of that. Go ahead and line up the bottom. Just like that. Go ahead and press hard on it. Yeah, I like these grips right here. These definitely grippier than the Edge series, man. It's not gonna rip your shirt either. You know what I mean? It's not like no skateboard tape. It's just like perfect. Cool. So last but not least, we got the little finger grips. So let's go ahead and throw these guys on. Now the way there's a flush side, and then there's like a curved side. If you want the curved side, kind of, you'll see where I'm talking about. But yeah, you're gonna want to put that jump right there. That's perfect. Now the other side. That's pretty much all to it, man. There is one final step, which I'm probably not gonna show, but that is blow drying it and kind of heating it up so it sticks a little better. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show y'all what it looked like afterwards. Alright, y'all, so I changed my mind. Go ahead, grab your sisters, your girlfriends, your wives, your grandmas, your mom's fucking hairdryer. It don't matter. Make sure it's just a hairdryer. My sister got this little fancy one right here, so crank it up. Go ahead and just go ahead and grip up on it. You know what I mean? Make sure it all stuck together. Yeah, it's cool right there. All right. So there you go, man. This is the finished product right here. The Elite Series grips on the Glock 27. Shit, you know, it's got a little different look to it than the Edge series, but that grip, you know what I mean, that grip's gonna be there for sure. Yeah, I could rock with that. I don't know if y'all can hear, but you know what I mean, this shit is definitely more grippier than the Edge series though. You know what I mean, but it's not too much. It's like, this is perfect. But hey, man, I appreciate y'all for watching. This is how to put on the Handleitgrips Elite series on your Glock 27. Y'all go ahead and make sure to like, subscribe, comment, keep up with the build. This shit is gonna go crazy, man. Peace.